Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you this eye makeup look using all Maven beauty products. This makeup look is inspired by fall season, which I don't know, when I think of fall season I just think about warm tones, kind of green tones. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this on your own eyes. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is take this Maven Beauty Basic Beat eyeshadow palette in the color Bold Blend. And I'm going to take this kind of like yellowy mustardy shade and I'm going to start blending this all over my crease. I want to kind of try to make this eye look as simple and easy to achieve as possible. So I'm not going to go in with like too many shades, so it's easier for you guys to recreate. And this eye look is also nice for people with hooded eyes because I'm not going in with any eyeliner today. So I'm just going to focus on blending this color all the way in my crease. I'm going from the inner corner to the outer corner. Went back a few times with this color to really build up the color pigmentation. And yeah, you can apply as much as you like. You can keep it really soft and not apply a lot, but I really liked my whole crease area to be as warm as possible and to really like blend it out as much as possible. So I'm just blending this from the inner corner to the outer corner, and then I went in with the Maven Beauty Cosmic Drip eyeshadow palette in the color Cosmos, and I'm going in with this greenish shade. First I went in with a brush, but then I went in with my finger because using your finger is so much more easier. It just picks up more color payoff and I don't know, it just works a lot better. So I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over the eyelid. It's a beautiful kind of greenish shade with a golden reflect in it. It's super pretty, and of course everything I'm doing at one side of my eye I'm also going to do at the other side. And I think especially this shade will look so gorgeous on brown eyes. Unfortunately, I don't have brown eyes, but I think this look is gonna be beautiful on brown eyes, so definitely give it a go. So I'm gonna blend the same brush that I used earlier, kind of in the crease, to make sure that the matte shade blends nicely with the shade on the eyelid. And then I went in with the Maven Beauty Bold Blend palette again and went in with this color for underneath the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna kind of like apply the shade underneath the lower lash line. First I used a flat brush and kind of went back and forth with my brush to apply the color, and then I went in with more of that shade, but now using a tiny blending brush to make it look more soft and just try to blend as much as possible underneath the lower lash line. Now, since I used that color in the crease as well, it was really like easy to connect the lower lash line with the crease area. Then now I'm gonna curl my lashes because it's already time for mascara. You can either leave this eye look for what it is and just apply some mascara and you're good to go. But I actually wanted to go in with some false lashes. Now I almost forgot that I also used some pencil in the waterline. I went for kind of like a warm brown color, but you can use any color that you like. Then I applied some mascara on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes. Then after this step, I'm going in with these beautiful Maven Beauty lashes in the style 12. And I'm just gonna apply them like how I normally always do. I apply the lash band in the center of like above my lash line, and then I press the inner part and the outer part against my own skin, like right above my lash line, if that makes sense. Then I kind of press with my finger to kind of make sure that the lash band is really tightly pressed against my skin. And then I try to kind of press my own natural lashes against the fake lashes. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looked without only mascara, which you can see right here. And then here you can see the after result with the fake lashes on. I think these are beautiful. Let me know what you think. I think these kind of styles are my favorite. They're not too dramatic. I mean, you can still see what's going on the eyelid, which I really like, but it just gives the right amount of volume. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If you want to purchase any of the Maven Beauty products, I'm gonna link all the products I used today in the description bar. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!